What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D.Ford here, coming back to you guys with a little something different. A lot of you guys may know today's my birthday, and I wanted to kind of shoot some video about who am I, because I'm more than just a Booster V6. I'm more than just Mopar. So I'm a family man. I like to cook. I like to do a whole bunch of stuff, but I really want to kind of do a video on that. This whole week, that's what my plan is. I want to kind of do a video each day, letting you guys into my life. So I'll be doing a video about starting my YouTube. I'll do a video about the family. I'll do a video about reading mean comments, which I think is something kind of funny because I could do a whole series on mean comments because I get so many. I'll do a video and talk about how much I get paid from YouTube, or if I do get paid. But I really kind of want to bring all that out to you guys. But like I said, today's my birthday, so I got some ribs smoking. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how they're doing. Alright, so I got my master built electric smoker here. Hey, if you guys are into grilling, get you guys a cutting board that is magnetic, so it doesn't, nothing falls. Pretty cool investment here. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Let's see what we got. Stuff's been smoking for about 3 hours now. Today I'm doing a 3-3-1 rule, and what that is I'm smoking it for 3 hours, unwrapped, and then I'm gonna smoke it, or I'm gonna cook it back in here for another 3 hours wrapped, and then I'm gonna take it out again, and we're gonna cook it unwrapped for another hour.
Can I open it for me?
You want me to open it? Can I see your shirt? Who's that on your shirt?
Daddy's car.
Gang, gang. So as you guys can see there, I got a week full of videos coming out to you guys. But like I said in the beginning, this video is really kind of just to get you guys a in-life look of me and my life. If you guys are some of my original subscribers, you know who that is. That is my wife. That is my son, Jackson.
I can see me.
You want to see you?
Yes.
We'll put you on the TV, okay?
You want to see yourself on the TV?
No, on there.
Okay.
Okay, we will.
We will. So I'm going to put these ribs back into the smoker, and we'll have a little small discussion, alright? Alright, so just like I said, just a quick little video today about, really more so just about who I am. A lot of you guys know about the car side of me, but that's probably about all that you guys know. You know, I grew up overseas. My dad was in the Air Force. Pretty much lived over there for 10 plus years, and from there we moved to Texas, where I went to high school. While I was in high school, I enjoyed basketball. I enjoyed running cross country and track. So don't let my body now fool you, but back in the day I used to be ranked in the top 20 in the state of Texas when it came to long distance running. My fastest 3 mile was 15:47. And so from there I went and joined the Marine Corps. I did 6 years in the Marine Corps. I was supply and logistics. I deployed, and my last 3 years I was a drill instructor in San Diego, California. So that's been, you know, a great part of my life, is what the Marine Corps has done for me, and the man it's molded me into. Now my wife is in the Air Force, and so we do a lot of traveling, even though I did it as a kid, but I now it's kind of transformed into my adulthood, and I do a lot of traveling now with her and wherever she gets stationed. So I think that brings a lot of cool content to you guys, because who knows where we will go next. Maybe it's Germany, and I get to take that Booster V6 on the Autobahn. But like I said, this week I just want to kind of give you guys a lot of content. Call this the birthday daily upload if you guys want. But tomorrow's video is going to be about me reading mean comments. Like I said, I've been on YouTube for about a year now, and actually no, I've been on YouTube for a year. And you know, shout out to you guys for all the ones that subscribe to my channel, has been with me since day one or whatever day you started. But you're here now, so that's all that matters. But I've received a lot of mean comments, and I've talked to my boy the Black Scat Pack, and I said I should really we should do something like this where we just read our mean comments and put it onto a YouTube video. So that's what we're gonna do, or that's what I'm gonna do. The next one's gonna be about just my year on YouTube and how I started it up, how, you know, I became successful, if you want to look at what I've done as a success, or a failure, whatever. I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about how much, if I get paid on YouTube. Then we're going to do a Q&A. Thursday's going to be my regular weekly upload. But like I said, I just want to say thank you to you guys. I'm going to give you guys some content, definitely as I get close to the holidays. Give you guys something to watch while you're enjoying your time with your family. But as I always say, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because I'm going to keep the content coming. But I'm waiting for these ribs to get done. So you probably want to see the ribs, don't you? Alright, so that's what I'll do. I'll make sure you guys see the ribs once they're done. So go ahead and stay tuned, because I still got another 4 hours with these bad boys. Alright? Alright guys, here is the finished product of the ribs. Like I said, we got some nice bone separation there from the meat. I'm just gonna show you guys that bone just literally came off. Had a little bit of meat on there, but wow. I gotta eat. I'm gonna upload this video for you guys, but I gotta 7-hour smoke. Happy birthday to me. Like I said earlier, make sure you watch all the videos this week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. But I'm about to chow down. We out.